Got it.
Finally. Cool.
Whoa.
Harry's magical playhouse. Today we have Fear the First paint set, and we have some blind bags.
Yeah.
We have a surprise little egg, and we
Some Doc McStuffins, Sofia the First. Oh, a giant purple one. And check out new Kinder Surprise egg as well.
Flip it over egg.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, that sounds like there's some really cool stuff inside.
Yeah.
But this is going to be awesome. It's a decorate your own wooden flower chest.
Whoa.
You got these little sticker flowers, some paints, glitter glue, and this nice chest to decorate and paint.
Oh my gosh.
Is that going to be cool?
Yeah. Let's open one of these first.
You want to do a blind bag or surprise first? Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to do this.
So let's see, which one should I open? Since we got two of these, I'm gonna try this one.
Yeah! Getting the surprise.
Alright, let's see what Sofia character I get. Hopefully the glitter one. Da-da-da-da! Oh,
Yay! Wanted that one!
it's a new one we haven't seen before.
Oh, yeah!
Whoa, and it's Jasper. How cool.
Wow! Ooh, look inside it.
Oh, nice new Kinder Surprise egg.
Here you go. You can eat some.
Oh, let's try some of this chocolate. Looks so good. That is delicious. Don't want to eat too much though. Spoil your dinner.
Now let's see what kind of capsule I have.
Got it!
Finally!
I got it.
Finally, you kept messing with me.
So this gross bug has been bugging us and we've been trying to kill it the whole video when we were setting up. Finally got it. Haha. Got the fly.
I was messing with my hair the whole time.
Gross. That's going in the trash.
Let's see what I got. Oh.
Yeah, let's see what you got in that capsule.
What is this? I can't even get it out.
Here you go.
Let's see what it is. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Oh, these like ladybug things. It's like a ladybug.
Oh, it's a bug. That's funny since we just had a bug we had to take care of.
Now we have a ladybug.
Now we got this. All right, you want to build it?
Ooh, look. Check it out, guys.
Whoa, so here's what it looks like. And it's a bug you get to shoot. Oh, they do have a ladybug one.
Wow.
Look, they got a ladybug one.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa. Cool.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, it's like a... Oh, I should do this at prank.
Prank
Ooh.
somebody with it?
Yeah, and they would think it's a little bug.
I'm not so sure with its like
Oh, I
lime
like
green
it.
color. What?
We could buy like bugs and use them for a prank. And we could throw them and somebody think it's a real bug.
Oh my goodness.
Now it's open a Sofia paint set.
Okay, that's a good idea. And then we'll open these surprises and egg a little later. You get it?
Yeah.
Whoa. Check it out.
Pretty. Okay.
Cool.
Paint. Paint.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I lost the sticker. Oh, I lost another one.
Daddy!
Sorry.
Wait. Oh, wow. That's bad.
At least there's a lot. Here's all the stickers.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Ask
And some glitter glue, pink, purple, and silver. And here's the little wooden chest that we're gonna decorate.
Yay!
Awesome.
I want
Okay,
paint.
let's see. There's only one brush, so it looks like you'll be doing the painting.
Yes. Oh, that's so cool. Really? Oh my gosh, I want
It's
paint.
got a mirror. Oh, we can't paint the mirror.
No, I meant paint here. Oh,
So to change colors, we're just gonna put some water in a couple cups. And that way we can change colors. Yeah, that way we keep them clean. There you go.
Do I paint?
Yeah, you can paint.
The big one.
No, it's not a watercolor. Okay, so you might want to mix it up a little bit. And we got a paper towel just in case.
I'm going to put like coats on.
Okay, while you paint that, I'm gonna take, what do you think, pink or purple? Pink, purple, pink, purple. Purple?
No, pink!
Pink? Okay. And I'm gonna decorate the top with this glitter glue.
Okay, I'm putting certain coats on.
I'm gonna line this.
Oh my gosh, it looks so cute.
You doing a cute job?
That's so cool.
There we go. That looks pretty good. Now let's get some of these stickers. Whoop. Whoa, that blue's looking pretty cool. Let's toss some stickers on here. We can put...
Oh, that's so pretty!
We can put little flower ones on each of the little petals.
I'm going to put, like, Julian did like my bracelet I have on if you can see.
Oh, yeah. Put your bracelet in there. That's a great idea.
I like painting a lot. So fun.
It is fun. Oh, you got the whole bottom done. Nice.
Yeah.
Very cool. Now what color are you going to do for the sides?
Pink.
Pink? Okay. Nice. And I got all the stickers on, Sophia, and I think I'm going to put this purple, actually this silver, between them, all around the edges. There we go. Maybe we'll make it like a vine.
That's cute. Look at my dog.
Ooh, that pink's coming along. Nice. Well, I finished the little glue design and it looks pretty good. What do you think, Haley?
That's cute.
Nice.
Look at mine. I finished the pink.
Oh, that looks great.
Thank you. Now let's let it dry for a little bit. Now let's open some surprises.
Okay, that's a great idea.
I'm going to open a giant surprise egg. Here you go, Daddy. Let's open these first.
Okay, you got Dr.
One, two,
McStuffins?
whoa!
Whoa. Oh, look who I got.
Oh, that's cute. It's a bunny. I got Lammy. I always get Lammy.
What's the bunny's name again?
Clover.
Clover, that's right.
Lammy
Clover.
can stand up.
Lammy, she looks so cute.
Oh, we don't have this kind of Clover.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
She's doing a little dancing, it looks like. Do 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 do. All right, let's decorate Lammy with one of these flowers. See if it works. Nope, total fail. Nope, not. Oh, yep, there we go. Woohoo!
Now let's open some surprises. Cool.
Whoa!
Whoa.
I think we'll just squeeze it open.
Squeeze.
There we go.
What? Hey, Daddy, you tricked me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Do this. So big. Wow, we have a Peppa Pig.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
A little Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig makes a wish. How
Oh.
cute. She's got Bumblebee on her shirt.
Whoa. Wait, what?
Yeah, see a little Bumblebee?
Ah!
What do you have on your shirt?
I have Ariel.
Ariel. Oh, and Flounder. Very cool. Got it?
So one more whip. Okay.
It's a tricky one.
Ah!
Oh, jeez.
Watch
That works.
This is cute.
That does look really cute.
Watch this. I can like set it up the same way. The well's so cute.
The well, yeah, a little wishing well.
Look at that. Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, check it out.
Now I'm finishing decorating by adding stickers to the side.
Oh, very cool.
And I'm going to use the pink.
Pink glitter glue?
I don't know. Oh my gosh. I'm all done.
You got it?
Mhm.
Let's check it out.
That's so cool.
Oh, nice little pattern. I like that. Very nice. Good job.
Thank you. Boom. Check it out, guys.
Yeah, it looks so good. Nice
Yeah.
job.
Tell me what you think in the comments below.
Yeah.
I think it's cute.
I think so too.
Watch this, guys.
Cool. So there's where you put your jewelry. And this goes on top just like that. And you have a little chest.
Oh, that's so cute.
We still gotta wait for it to dry all the way, but that is cool.
I can't even pick it up. That was really fun. If you liked my video, give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe for our members like this one. And click a video to the side or below to watch more. My Pippitos, Haley's Magical Playhouse, if you forgot.
Yeah, we'll see everyone in the next video.
Bye.